Good morning, student. Today, part 1, I'm going to start Rolle's and Lagrange's theorem. Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's theorem. In part 1, I shall start only Rolle's theorem, and part 2, I shall do Lagrange's theorem. First thing, what is Rolle's theorem? Fx, here fx is a polynomial function. What is Rolle's theorem? Fx is a continuous. If fx is continuous, if fx is continuous in closed interval ab, fx is continuous closed interval ab. Number 2, f dash x, it is derivable, f dash x exists. F dash x exist in AB and it is derivable. F dash is exist, if it is continuous, fx is derivable and it is derivable. It means fx is derivable in open interval AB and f a equals to f b, then there exists one value c such that f dash c equals to 0. If fx is a continuous function is in AB, that is fx is continuous in the interval AB, it is closed interval AB, f dash exists in closed interval AB and fx is derivable in open interval AB. And number 3, if a equals to f b, these three conditions satisfied, we can say Rolle's theorem, we can say it is Rolle's theorem. This is the Rolle's theorem. Then there exists one value c such that f dash c equals to 0. C should be within this interval. Then we can say Rolle's theorem is proved. Let us do a few sum. Suppose sum number 1. Verify Rolle's theorem if fx equals to x cube minus 6x square, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 in the interval 1, 3. Here fx, it is a polynomial function. Therefore, if fx is a polynomial function, it is continuous. Number 1 is fx is a polynomial function, it is continuous in AB, and f dash x is 3x square minus 12x plus 11. The differentiate is, it is differentiable, that is, it is exist in closed interval 1, 3. And f dash is, it is derivable also in open interval AB, and f1 put 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6, that is 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6, that is 0. f1 is 0 and f3 equals to 3 into 9 minus 12 into 3 plus 11 = 27, 36 plus 11. F3. F3, F3, F3 3 to the power 3 minus 6 into 3 square plus 11 into 3 minus 6. 27, 54, 33 minus 6. 27, 60 minus 60, that is 0. So F3 equals to 0, F1 equals to 0. That is F1 equals to F3. F1 equals to F3 equals 0. Therefore, three condition of Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Therefore, it is continuous, it is derivable, it is Fa equals to B. Then there exists one value C such that F dash C equals to, put C here, 3 C square minus 12 into C plus 11 equals to 0. F dash C equals to 0, that is 3 C square minus 12C plus 11 equals to 0. C equals to minus B plus minus over B square. 144 minus 4 into 3 into 11 by 2 into 3. That is 12 plus minus 144, 12, 132. 12 root 2 means 2 root 3 by 6. We can take 2 common. 12 means 2 root 3, 2 common, 6 plus minus 2 root 3 by 6. That is 3. So answer is value of C equals to 2 plus 2 by 3 root 3. Value, this value this belongs to 1 in the interval 1 to 3. Value lie between 1 to 3. Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. So from this, yes, value of C lie between belongs to 1, within 1 to 3. This is 2, that is 2 point something is this should be within 1 in the interval 1 and 3 within this. Therefore, Rolle's theorem is verified. Then sum number 2. Sum number 2 here fx equals to sine 2x in 0 pi by 2. Here fx is a trigonometric function. It is therefore it is continuous, and f dash x equals to 2 into cos 2x, which exists, and it is also differentiable in the closed interval AB. It is also differentiable in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2, and f0 equals to sine 0 is 0, and f pi by 2 equals to sine 2 into pi by 2, that is sine pi, that is 0. Therefore, f0 equals to f pi by 2. Therefore, three condition of Rolle's theorem has been satisfied. Therefore, f dash c equals to 2 cos 2c equals to 0. That is cos 2c equals to 0. That is cos 2c equals to 0. Cos 2c cos 0 is cos pi by 2 is 0. Then 2c equals to pi by 2, c equals to pi by 4, which lie between belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, c lies within this interval 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Next, sum number 3. Here fx equals to sin x plus cos x in interval 0 to pi by 2. In this case, fx is a trigonometric function, therefore it is continuous. Number 2, f dash x equals to cos x minus cos x derivative is sin x minus sin x, which exists in the closed interval 0 to pi by 2. It is also derivable, and f0 equals to sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, that is 1, or f pi by 2, sin pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2, sin 90 is 1 plus 0, that is 1. Therefore, f0 equals to f pi by 2. Therefore, 3 condition of Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Now we can say f dash c equals to cos c minus sin c, that equals to 0. That is sin c equals to cos c implies tan c equals to 1, that is tan c equals to 1 means tan pi by 4, then c equals to pi by 4, lies between 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, Rolle's theorem is verified. Sum number 4. Equals to, here fx equals to sin x minus sin 2x. Here fx is a trigonometric function in the interval 0 to pi. It is trigonometric function, therefore it is trigonometric function, therefore it is continuous. And f dash x equals to cos x minus cos 2x into 2, which is derivable in the closed interval 0 to pi. Therefore, it is continuous, it is derivable, and it is exist also. Therefore, f0 equals to 0 minus 0, that is 0. F pi sin pi is 0. Sin pi is 0 minus 0, that is 0. That is f0 equals to f pi equals to 0. Therefore, fa equals to fb. Therefore, 3 condition of Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Now we can prove f dash c equals to sin c minus sin 2c. Sin c, f dash c f dash c is cos c minus 2 cos 2c equals to 0. That is cos c equals to 2. Cos 2c means 2 cos square c minus 1. Cos 2c means 2 cos square c minus 1. That is 4 cos square c minus cos c minus 2 equals to 0. 4 cos square c minus cos c minus 2 equals to 0. Then cos c equals to minus b minus 1 plus 1 over b square minus 4ac, 4 into minus 2, that is 2 by 8. That is 1 plus minus root over of 33 by 8. Root over of 33 by 8, that is After simplification, we can get value is 0.8431 value of this, or minus 0.5931. After calculation, we can get value of is this. Therefore, C equals to which? Cos C equals to value of this is 32 degree 32 minute. 32 degree 32 minute. That is C equals to 32 degree 32 minute. And another one, cos, when minus, then cos C equals to we can get 120. Then another one we can get C equals to 126 degree 23 minute, which lie between 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi, which lie between in the interval 0 to pi. Therefore, hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Now sum number 5. Now sum number 5, here fx equals to e to the power x cos x in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here fx is a continuous function. It is as it is exponential function, it is trigonometric function. This is therefore it is continuous, and it is derivable also. F dash x equals to e to the power x constant cos x derivative minus sin x plus cos x constant e to the power x. That is e to the power x cos x minus sin x. It is derivable, and in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 it is exist, and it is also derivable. And f minus pi by 2 equals to e to the power minus pi by 2 cos minus pi by 2. E to the power minus pi by 2 cos minus pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0, that is 0. And f pi by 2 e to the power pi by 2 cos pi by 2, that is also 0. Therefore, 3 condition of Rolle's theorem is verified. Therefore, we can say here f dash c equals to e to the power c cos c minus sin c equals to 0. F dash c equals to 0, that is cos c minus sin c equals to 0, that is e to the power c cos c minus, that is cos c equals to sin c, that is e to the power c equals to 0, and cos c equals to sin c, that is tan c equals to 1, that is we can write tan c 1 means tan pi by 4, then c equals to pi by 4, which lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Hence Rolle's theorem is f dash c, hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Now in this way, number 3 condition is satisfied, then we can say Rolle's theorem is verified. In my next class, I shall explain Lagrange's mean value theorem